Hi everybody, this is Dr. Caroline. I want to welcome you to RegenX Wellness Spa. This is a great location here in Richland, easy access for you, and we have everything that is frequency based to get your body to heal. You know, Einstein said, the future of medicine is frequency medicine, and you'll find that to be true here. So I want to show you around. So we have two medical grade red light beds, which are fabulous. They're class 2, FDA approved for wound healing. They're great for relieving inflammation, and they're really unique because they're the only red beds in the world that have our sound frequency technology infused. So we have over 3,000 frequencies. You can be balancing your chakras, running the anxiety, ancient tones, anything you want off here. You can just pick different frequencies and run those through the bed. So we're combining light and sound frequencies for an incredible experience. Those are two of the most powerful healing modalities you can use. And now you can do them in one system. It's incredibly relaxing. It's nice and bright, as you can see. It'll make you feel better, relieve your pain, your inflammation, help your skin heal if you have wounds that aren't healing, really speeds up the process, mild to moderate fat loss, lifts your energy, increases your serotonin, you just feel better. Take you to another star of the show. So we have a lot of VibraGenix in here. Yes. VibraGenix is actually my baby. This is my whole life's work. We have it in 2 different pods. It has all the 3,000 frequencies in it. It is not a vibe plate. It does have amplitude and vibrate, but it is totally powered by sound, and the body loves sound. So you can literally treat anything that you're thinking about. You can do everything from emotional health to Eastern medicine to ancient tones, anything for weight loss, for relieving muscle pain, practically anything that you're interested in. Sports recovery. You're actually standing on the plate with 3 voice coils. You actually have speakers here, so you get the sound frequencies directly into your core. You have headphones for brain balancing. There's a program in there for that. There's scalar wave technology. You have cell exciters that you can put on a certain part of your body. So if you're having kidney issues or kidney stones, you can put these back here and actually shatter them. It's an amazing system. And here's the great part. If you don't like cardio, every 10 minutes is like an hour walk. So you can get your cardio, you can actually use light weights or bands. It'll tighten, tone, and build muscle up to 50% faster. It helps you reverse bone loss. It's the best thing for lymphatic movement I have ever seen. Really broad frequency range of 4 to 20,000 hertz. There's nothing like it at all on the market, and it's the most comprehensive piece we have. We also have 2 stations here for radio frequency. This is really unique in that it's like a sauna for the inside of your body. So you actually put your feet in here, you turn it on, it uses radio frequency terahertz, and it actually heats up the core temperature of the body and the blood. While you're sitting here, stack modalities by putting it with a PEMF mat, so you're getting an increase in microcirculation, which makes you feel better, helps relieve inflammation and pain. And you can also use a medical grade red light or a medical grade green light while you're sitting here on your face to make you feel better, get rid of wrinkles, age spots, sun damage, tighten and tone your skin. We also have some really exciting things over here. So this is all our magnetic stimulation in the corner. We have an incredible machine. It is very, very powerful. It's the most powerful one on the market. And it actually uses magnetic field that goes through your body, which your body's invisible to. It reverses it, and it actually will contract all of your muscle fibers at the same time. Fast twitch and slow twitch. So it's remarkable for tightening and toning. You can use it for body shaping. You can use it for booty lifting with the paddles. You can also sit on this. This is amazing for tightening and toning the pelvic floor. And ladies, once we've had babies, we need to tighten and tone that pelvic floor. And even as we get older, a lot of people get incontinence. This will take care of that. You combine this with the frequencies on the VibraGenix for incontinence. It's an amazing combo, and it can get rid of that annoying problem. So you turn it on, you set it to whatever it is you're working on. You set your level, and then you get on the seat, and it will tighten and tone everything. You can take a paddle and you can put it on your abs, so you get those nice, sexy summer abs for your bikini. You just turn it on. And it tightens everything and contracts for you. Now, if you have knee problems, you'll want to put it on your knee. This was phenomenal for repairing the cartilage on my knee. It gets it to regrow. And that was really taking a hit on all my sports, especially snow skiing. And this has been amazing. I mean, I was having problems walking up and down stairs without pain. I couldn't run anymore. And I'm back to all of that. This is an amazing, amazing device. You can use it on your quads, use it on your knees for knee problems, abs, and definitely both paddles behind you for that booty lifting that we all want. We also have another version of this right here. And this has 4 paddles. So you can actually lay on the bed and you can go face down or face up. These are curved if you want to put them over your quadriceps or over your booty to tighten and tone there. You can use all 4 paddles at the same time, and you can do it while you're on this amazing sound bed. So this is phenomenal. It has all the frequencies, all 3,000 that go through the VibraGenix, go through this bed. It is fully adjustable. It's great to do infusions, aesthetics. It actually has transducers that go all the way down the spine. So for chakra balancing and treating the spine, which is so important, they're in the perfect placement. It has transducers here and transducers here. In addition, you can also use headphones, and then it has 2 mobile transducers that you can put on a particular part of the body if you're working on something specific. So you can get this incredible experience while you're getting the magnetic stimulation. Again, stacking modalities for optimal effectiveness. So in here we have another star of the show. So this is non-invasive red light lipo, really effective. Usually you can measure yourself before and after even a single treatment and see results, which is really exciting. So you lay on the same sound bed with all the transducers, get in a position that makes you very comfortable, and then you put gel on. This has to go directly on your skin. And then we lay it on that part of the body. So if you're working on your waist, it would go right here. So we lay it on that part of the body and we simply turn it on. So you lay these on a part of your body. It takes a half an hour. It's very, very effective. People enjoy it. It's nice and warm. And you're getting your sound frequency medicine at the same time. So it's a fabulous experience. It's one of our most popular things. And face it, we all have places where we want to get rid of a little extra stubborn fat, and this is the ticket. So after you've done all of these amazing things, you can actually head over to our PEMF BioMass. Most people are familiar or have heard of PEMF, but it's pulsed electromagnetic field therapy. So this is combined with the 7 semi-precious crystals. So it actually has far infrared that heats up these crystals so they release their essences, and it helps balance the chakras. It's very relaxing, nice and warm, increases microcirculation, which is so important because it's 74% of your circulation. We also have all of the frequencies that are in the VibraGenix in a computer, so you can actually sit here and enjoy this experience. You can put on headphones. You can use cell exciters on a particular part of your body where you're trying to address something. So very relaxing experience. Once again, all the same frequency formulas. A lot of people where you can go to sleep. This is so relaxing. It's nice and warm. This is one of our newer additions. This works specifically on the spine. It has rollers that go up and down the spine. It helps make that cartilage within your spine more flexible. That cartilage gets stiff and that tends to pinch the nerves. So this really helps with the spine, giving more space for all those nerves to function better, relieving pain, relieving inflammation. People love it. Most people finish off with our massage chairs. These are shiatsu massage chairs. They have heat, they have stretching, they have rollers, they have compression for lymphatic movement. And once again, this is a place where a lot of people will just drift off to sleep because it is so relaxing. Why is this important? Because of stress. So stress increases your cortisol. This will help release your cortisol, increase your serotonin, which is exactly what you want. You want to be refreshed and renewed when you leave VibraGenix or RegenX Wellness Center. I mean, this is your time. You refresh, you relax, and you renew. That's what this place is for. We'd love to see you in here. Please come visit us. Please check out everything. We'll give you a trial run, see what you think. I think you're absolutely going to love it here.